Hello everyone, wishing you a happy new year, an amazing 2021. Obviously 2020 has been very difficult for many, but equally at the same time it was a year of looking within the self. It was a year where you can have an awakening. In this video presentation, I would like to have a look at trading the financial markets. A brief introduction about me. My name is Jay Lakhani. I've been trading the financial markets for the last 40 years. I'm the author of the book Forex Mastery: A Child's Play, which is available from Amazon. Those of you interested in trading the financial markets, you can visit our website www.bindelfx.com. Okay, in this presentation, what I would like to do is I'm going to share a Facebook live video which I had done at one of my presentation in July 2019. It was an hour-long presentation, but I've sort of I'm sharing an edited version in this presentation here, where I'm actually asking the attendees on that day to start looking at cryptocurrencies, and in addition to that also to look at the US stocks. Okay, so let's start having a look at our first chart here, Bitcoin. As you can see, it has been in the news for the past year or so, and just in the last 12 months a percentage gain of over 800%, and that's an amazing return. Also in that video presentation, which you'll be watching right at the end, I was telling the attendees on that day, I said you got to start looking at some key US stocks. Just have a look at some of the performance on US stocks. Tesla 783%, Zoom 381%, Amazon 68% just over the last 12 months, Apple 74%, Facebook 52%, and there are so many other stocks, right, which has had an amazing run, right? Okay guys, very shortly I shall be playing that video, but I just wanted to summarize the key takeaways from the presentation which I did Facebook Live. Firstly, you always must be looking for growth opportunities, right? Get the right stocks, right currencies or cryptocurrencies, and then add it to your watch list. Secondly, you got to have a trading plan, right? You cannot just get into any investment willy-nilly. You got to have a strategy, and once you have a strategy, you got to trade the plan. Thirdly, you got to have a trading journal. I often say to my members, you are your biggest mentor, and how can you learn? And the way to learn is to go back and review your actions, and the best way to do that is by doing a trading journal. You know what you did right, what you did wrong, and what actions can you take in future so that you can not repeat the same mistakes again. Next, taking action. Do not procrastinate. I'm pleased to say on that day I had about nearly 20 members who attended the workshop, and majority of them now are trading the US stocks. Majority of them are now trading the cryptocurrencies. And if you follow the plan, if you follow the trading system, there is absolutely no way you can lose. You got to get in at the right time. You got to manage the risk. Once you get in, if it's not doing what you expect it to do, get out, cut the losses. And once you're in, if it's going your way, do not snatch the profits. Let the winners run. Let the winners run. That's the key. And lastly, take those mini steps. Obviously, you will have heard of a lot of horror stories in the media. People have lost a lot of money trading the stocks or trading the cryptocurrencies. Why? Because they get in at the wrong time. Okay? They don't have a strategy. They then let the losers run. they cut the winners, right? Start with taking small mini steps. And once you do that, there is absolutely no way you can lose. Okay, right guys, so I'm just gonna play this video which I've been talking about, and do listen in. And that was a Facebook Live in front of nearly 20 traders. Enjoy. Okay, took the trade at 11:26, exited half an hour later. Okay, in 30 minutes, he's banked £3,000. Yeah? Okay, and this is a real account. It's not a demo account, guys. Okay, and here is he started out with micro lots. Okay, and one of the things which I tell you I really admire about him is his journaling, and also when he does the tasks. Okay, he's probably one of the first one to do the tasks. Okay, so no point reading books, no point going to a seminar if you don't follow through. You could go to a seminar, but you don't follow through, then what's the point? You could read a book, but then you don't draw your action points, then what's the point? Yeah? So again, this illustrates how important it is to do the journaling, because what that is doing is actually give you your mental fitness.
Is that GBP/NZD?
Okay, who was in the webinar last week when I talked about? You were there? Hello? Bitcoin. Okay? What did I say? Malik, what did I say about Bitcoin?
It will go, keep an eye on it.
Get ready.
It has gone down 1,000 pips over the weekend.
Yeah.
When it will go up, it will go up and up.
Okay? And I say focus on the yellow.
Yes.
Did you take the trade?
I didn't.
Why not?
I don't trade Bitcoin. But I will now.
Okay. Look, put a penny trade in there. Okay, penny. By the time average, okay, you said, okay, look, I'm prepared to lose £100. Okay? Then £100, look, even without the leverage, there was 30% move. Yeah? 30% move in 3 days. Where will you get 30% in 3 days? Yeah? Again, Bitcoin, not many are doing. Okay, I keep saying it's not for the faint-hearted, right? But you start small sizes, isn't it? You start taking those mini steps. Yeah? Take those mini steps. Same as like, I've been talking about US stocks. How many of you do US stocks here? Yeah. Right? Yeah. Okay, you don't have to do all of them. The top 5, Google, Facebook, Netflix, yeah, Amazon, Yahoo, okay, Apple, right? Again, do it on swing trading. I think I always keep saying, have a second account. Just put 1,000 in and say, look, if I lose it, I lose it. But look, if you follow the system, there's absolutely no way you can lose. Yeah? So I would say start looking at cryptocurrencies.
Does IC Markets do that?
Yeah. Yeah.
You sent you broadcast for Bitcoin, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd like to be in on it.
I hope this presentation was useful to you. As you can see in the presentation, trading mastery or investment mastery can be a child's play if you know what you're doing. Feel free to like, share, and comment on this video.